Monday, and here we're hard at it down here at the shop, so we're going to check it out and see what's going on today. So the old 04 Ford, Bruce is working away on. Getting the fenders all ready to rock and roll. Cab corners all welded in, nicely done. Bodywork is done. Somebody had these huge fender flares on here with a bunch of extra holes up underneath here. So the owner wanted the extra holes all welded up and the bodywork done over that. So that's what Bruce is on this morning. Plugging away. Mike's over there working away on the 56 Chevy pickup box, as you can see. And Sean is out back working on all sorts of different stuff. Take a look. You see our new addition over there. It's coming in handy. We got a couple cars in there already. Still got to finish painting our trim up and stuff, but we're getting there. And Sean is working away here on all sorts of stuff. First, he's drinking his coffee so he can get motivated. Isn't that right, Sean? Coffee gets you motivated. So that's it. All sorts of little pieces here. Sean's painted up for the CUDA on the back side. You got to go all the way to the detail. All the back side of everything is painted up, as you can see. All the splash aprons, all that stuff. That's it. Got the chunk lid there. He's unmasking. He's going to work on. He's got a hood here for a 72 Chev pickup. That's about it. Like I say, there's a new addition. Got a couple vehicles in there. Car McGee is coming in the shop here in the next couple days now. And we got to roll this trailer in that's been here forever and get back on that. So I'm going to be working on over here. Now this is Dan's 72 pickup that's on that's framed. It's all custom made, tubbed out. That's all prepped and going to be painted on Thursday. And I'm going to start bracing up and working on Brent's Camaro here today. Right there. So I'm going to start bracing that up, and I'll do a couple separate videos on that and show you guys how I'm going about it again. Because this thing needs outer wheel tubs, inner wheel tubs, and trunk pan. So we got to get prepared here. We do have all the floors done. Floors are all finished off and done. So that turned out beautiful. Door, you can see I fitted the door here. I fitted the other door too. The door is fitting on there nicely. So now it's time to play with all this mess. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. My own personal truck box, if you remember, it's all been raptored inside, and the outside is all pretty much ready to go for paint. And I got under here the other day, and I don't want you to see that, but I raptored it all underneath. So that's the box for Big Red. She's all ready to rock and roll. So we'll try and get that painted up next week, or actually this week maybe. We'll see where we're at. We'll see where we're at for time. That's it. It's pissing down rain, and that's what's going on today. So there. So from all of us here at OTG, for you Canadians anyway, happy Thanksgiving. Glad you guys got the day off and you're enjoying the turkey, or you enjoyed it last night, because here we're working. That's it. That's how we keep up. Remember, it's always a good time and old time. Gobble gobble.